Chambliss himself.
Yeah, well, there's no doubt about that. Kirby Chambliss, talk about capable. If you ever meet Kirby Chambliss, you'll see what we're talking about. I mean, you've seen him fly, and then you meet him, it's the whole package.
When he was a young guy, he flew for Akita Motor Inns, and the chief pilot for that company said, listen, if this plane ever gets upside down with the president of the corporation on board, you got to be able to get it out of that bad attitude. So he said, all right, well, we can work on that. So we learned aerobatics, and he got hooked.
Yeah, well, I'll say he did. Of course, one of the best of the best of the best. Kirby Chambliss, watch him now as he completes his demonstration. Watch him dive, watch him tumble. This airplane really tumbles well, doesn't it, Rob Ryder?
It does. You know, he's had a I think he had a kind of a real affinity for and respect for Sky King, that old TV shows from back in the 1950s. And Skylar King, crime-fighting rancher in Arizona, and the Flying Crown Ranch, and that's what Kirby's got, the Flying Crown Ranch, where he and his wife, and of course he also flies for an airline, but not quite like this.
He's mixing it up out there with precision exotic guys, too. Did you see that? Those guys running down the runway. Kirby likes to get everybody in the action. Kirby Chambliss, again, you heard Rob say it earlier, an Art Scholl award. I mean, that is one of the highest honors in aviation right there. And Kirby Chambliss, no stranger to it.
Over 350 horsepower. The very lightweight and strong airframe of the Zivco Edge 540. That propeller combination and engine and airframe combination allows him to do some maneuvers that 40 years ago nobody ever believed were possible. And you know what? These aerobatic pilots years ago inspired the radio control guys to do a lot of fun stuff and invent maneuvers that the full-scale airplanes could not duplicate. And that in turn inspired the pilots of full-scale airplanes to try to shoot. That's why we ended up with Kirby Chambliss doing what we're seeing today.
Well, and that Cobra maneuver that he does, I mean, everybody still talks about it. One of the first guys to really do it in a way that only Kirby can pull it off. Again, a series of tumbles up there. Kirby Chambliss, the real deal, the real Kirby Chambliss, the star of the show in the Air Force. What a guy. I love watching him on these flights. Watching all the way over the top, just kind of pulls it on through. There's no float to the top with Kirby. And you know what you're talking about there. Nice and easy over the top, and Kirby just keeps it coming. Watch him again, you'll see what I'm talking about. He just pulls so hard, it goes into a series of snaps right there, and still finishes that loop. A nice little half-Cuban turnaround up there. And then he just throws a little magic dust on it, a little Kirby dust, you know, and turns it into whatever he's going to turn it into. He's like a nice torque roll right there at Show Center. How about that?
We had the opportunity at our convention to see a video of him. He got authorization.
That's Kirby Chambliss, a series of slow rolls right there. So much harder to do those at a low airspeed. Now this is the inverted flight. Push it out of the bottom right there, tries to force him right out the top. All the way down. Now watch this line, ladies and gentlemen. Keep your eye on it because this gets exciting.
We're going to let it roll here with Kirby. What an incredible performer. Give it up for Kirby Chambliss.
Used to fly his daughter to school. Remember those stories? In the storage.
Oh, my goodness.
Yeah, you hear
How
about
did
that?
I not know
Yeah,
that
well,
story?
center. You get a great look at the edge 540 and Kirby Chambliss as he pulls it up into his trademark maneuver right here at show center. Watch this. There it is, the Cobra and Kirby Chambliss.
Now watch, this is so amazing that he goes slideways.
I know, slideways. That's a new term.
Yeah. Oh, shoot.
It happens. But it was fun. It was honest. It was very authentic. Now look at Kirby Chambliss.